I'm going to try to help you out. Members having an issue with the front LED screen. He's enabled and he doesn't see it working. The staff member says the status LD of the Osmo Action is off when there's no micro SD card. So let's take that SD card out. Or insufficient memory. And when the camera is plugged in while charging, you won't see the LED. If I am charging, you'll see a red LED. When I turn the camera on, this is exactly what you're going to see. A red light coming on, no green, and 2 red blinks. On the back of the camera, it will tell you there is no SD card. So let's long press it off. Let's put the charger cable on, show it's charging, do the same thing again. The bright red, 2 blinks for no SD card, no green light. And you see the charging there. Let's turn the camera off or unplug it. Let's place in the SD card. You notice you're going to see 2 blinks. You hear the audio sound of the card being acknowledged. And nowhere does the member say he has that area. Even though it says no SD card, I have my SD card in. I do apologize, it did not slide in all the way. There we go. This could be your fix. Swipe down, preference, go all the way to the very bottom, factory reset, okay. And see if that fixes your problem. Do you have a green LED? We don't know because the person doesn't say. Another thing you can try. There is no hard boot. You can go get the firmware and the Osmo Action firmware debug text document, load it in the camera and refresh your firmware. And as a last resort, you have to do a firmware 99 with the text document and then load in the latest firmware and see if that will fix your problem. Do you know how to refresh firmware? That's my question to you. So let's continue to read Kung Fu Panza's response. Thanks for your reply. With the SD card inserted, the only red LED on, and the one above the camera while on the front is off, while the cam is powered on green, and while recording red, the LED front is off. So I'm not sure if he's saying his front and the top are off and he only sees the red bullet in the back. Until you make a video turning the camera on and showing us, then we could find out your issue. I am finished and I do thank you for your time. Have a great day.